we're getting ready to head up to Clark County, Indiana to hang out with the road crew and to watch them fill an overlay.
Today we went out on St. Joe West Road, and it was a culvert pipe that we had put in a month ago, and it had settled some, so we just got it up to grade and took the dip out of the road. We use EZ Street because it's easy to work with, and it maintains. It stays there. We don't have to worry about it. It'll be good till next summer now. It really doesn't matter that in all weather conditions, it maintains its integrity and is easy to work with. Crew loves working with EZ Street. It's pliable, and you only have to put it in once. It stays, it lasts. We purchase it in bulk and pick it up in 18 tons at a time. Yes, it works, absolutely.